Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss about breadth first search. It is also called breadth first traversal, and it is also called um, as level order traversal. Let's go through the definition first. So, BFS is an algorithm for traversing or searching tree or graph data structures. It starts from the tree root, explore all the neighbors node first before moving to the next level neighbors. For example, let's say this is the tree given, this is the root. So in BFS, first we visit all the nodes on the current level and then we go to the next level. So let's start with root. So at this level, we have only one node, so it would be one. Then we'll come down to the next. Here, 2 and 3, so 2 and 3, and then we'll come down to the next, and then 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is going to be BFS for the given tree, right? So how are we going to achieve that? So whenever we talk about BFS, whether it's tree or it's graph, it's 2D matrix, wherever we use Q. Okay, like in DFS we use a stack. In BFS we use Q. So we know Q. What is Q? Q follows first in, first out. So in a queue, whoever enters first goes out first, right? So let's say this is our queue, and let's walk through this. So we'll start with the root. So we'll add root to the queue. Okay. Now, when we take out element from the queue, one is the only element here. So we'll take out one, right? And once we take out a node from the queue, we are going to add its children uh, to the queue. So we'll add 2 and we'll add 3. Okay. Now, since now we have added the children of 1, um, we are going to take out another node from the queue. So we'll take out, when we take out the next node, it's going to be 2. So we'll take out 2. And then from here, we'll see if 2 has any child, we have 4 and 5. So we'll add 4 and 5 to the queue. Now we'll take out 3. We'll take out next node. It's going to be 3. So 3, and then add childs of 3 to the queue. So 6 and 7. Take out the next node from the queue. So that is 4. But here, 4 doesn't have any child, right? So we're not going to add anything to the queue. We'll take out next node. That's going to be 5. Again, 5 doesn't have any child. So we'll not add anything to the queue. Then we'll take out next. It's going to be 6, similar to 4 and 5, and then 7. So this is our BFS. So this is the same example which we just saw. And let's read out the algorithm here. So we'll take an empty queue, start from the root, insert root into the queue. Okay, so at this point we have only one node in the queue, and that's our root. Now do these steps until queue is not empty. Extract the node from the queue, insert all its children to the queue, print the extracted node. So let's look into the code. So this is the structure of our tree node. Pretty standard structure. We have data, left and right, 2 references. And what tree do we have here? We have 5 as a root, and then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so um, this is so first, this is our function. First, we initialize the empty queue, and then this is the base condition checking if root is a null, return, add root to the queue. Now do these steps until queue is not empty. So we'll take out a node from the queue, print that node data, check if left child is not null, add the left, right child is not null, add the right child, right? So it's simple. First, add the root, take out the root, add its children, if they are not null, and print, and repeat these steps. And yeah, this is how we'll solve this problem. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video with a new problem. Bye bye.